Husky offers nozzle guards that include a point of purchase display on the guard itself. We have them in square or horseshoe shapes, and these POPD guards allow additional advertising at every fueling point. Installing them is pretty easy and straightforward. This video is going to show how to install the EasyGuard style on a Husky Model 10S nozzle. The procedure is pretty similar for all the other nozzle styles too. You don't have to remove the existing guard. This POPD installs over the top. This nozzle is mounted in a vise just so that the process is clear for the camera. You really don't have to remove the nozzle from the hose. Also, a guard install is much easier if it's warm. If the weather is cold, you may want to warm up the guard before you pull it over the nozzle.